This is Dr. Hobbold, and I'm going to help you solve this problem. It says the expression 9/10 divided by 3/5 could mean how many groups of 3/5 are in 9/10. Use the tape diagram to evaluate 9/10 divided by 3/5. So one thing we want to notice in this tape diagram is we've got 9/10 in this brace here. Overall, we have one hole here cut into 10 equal parts. So that means the size of one of these parts is 1/10. And it's helpful if you remember that 1/5. So here's a side note you could make in your notebook. So a side note. 1/5 is equal to, what's an equivalent fraction we could write with 10 in the denominator? Well, it's 2/10. So we're going to use that to figure out how many groups of 3/5. So what I mean by that is, let's kind of reset our tape diagram. So here, if we take two of these blocks, I'm going to separate these into two. So I'm putting a border around every two blocks. Then the size of each of these is 1/5. So now I can look at how many groups of 3/5 are in 9/10. So here's one group of 3/5. And then for the next group, look, I have 1, 2, 3 of the parts that I need total for a group of 3/5. And how many of those little parts do I need for a group of 3/5? Well, I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. I only have 3. So I have 3/6, or 1/2 of a group of 3/5. So how many groups of 3/5 do I have total in 9/10? Well, I have 1.5 groups of 3/5 in 9/10. So that means 9/10 divided by 3/5 is equal to 1.5. Thanks for working this problem with me, and I hope it'll help you be successful.